Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I have an unboxing video. I already unwrapped everything here, so I've got two purchases to show you that I've done recently, and I cannot wait to show you these purchases. I'm so excited about them. We'll start with this first box here, so let's open it up, and as you can see, it is a leather bracelet with charms. This was such a fantastic deal, and take a look at these beautiful charms. So it's a size small, light pink bracelet, and then she has some gorgeous blue charms on here. So only two of these are a duplicate for me, which is pretty awesome when you buy a full bracelet like this. So this charm here is a duplicate. But what I love about this charm is that the style of it can go with anything. It is so pretty. And then underneath this charm here is a duplicate as well. So this is the Galaxy charm with the blue. I am so thrilled with this Murano. It is gorgeous. The sheen to it is beautiful. And then this snowflake charm here was definitely on my wish list. And I'm so glad that I actually picked it up pre-loved. And this one, this is one of the charms that got away. And I think it was Brooklyn08 just kept showing it on her channel. She's got multiples of this charm. And some of her designs are just gorgeous. Actually, doesn't that look like a face there? Like a little happy face with a star nose? That's cute. Anyway, back to the charm. This charm is just so pretty, and it got away on me, and it never ever showed up again in Canada. So I am thrilled to have this one. I would love to have two, so fingers crossed I can get another one day, just because I think it looks better balanced with one on the other side of a bracelet. It is so pretty. So this was a fantastic buy. This one took a long time to come to me. It was 21 days in the mail from across Canada. So I know Canada Post is super delayed right now with all of the extra online buying going on right now. So I really appreciate it. And the wait made it all the sweeter, that's for sure. But I am so happy to have this. Oh, and then we have this Pave Charm here. So I love royal blue. It's one of my favorite colors. So I know I'm going to have a home for all of these charms. And the funny part is with this bracelet is I did buy one of these in the, I'm trying to remember what sale it was. I can't remember. It was like in March. My brain is fudge right now. And I actually returned it, so I just thought I kind of overspent. So I returned my order to Pandora, and in that order was one of these bracelets. So lo and behold, 3 weeks later, I get this whole bracelet with charms, and it was a little more money than the cost of this by itself, brand new. So fantastic. Like, I am so thrilled with this. So let me show you now the second purchase that I made, and I am equally as happy about this one. The seller had two bracelets for sale, and one bracelet was a whole bunch of two-tones that were just gorgeous two-tones. And so I was looking at some of those. In particular, there was a carousel charm. And some of the others would have been duplicates for me. So I decided against it because it was a little bit too much money than what I could spend at the time. But this one here, I snapped up pretty quick because I have always wanted this bracelet. This is the 5-clip bracelet. It is stunning. I've always wanted this bracelet, so I am so happy to have this. So it came with all these clips, as you can see. So we've got the studded clip, and it's balanced on either side. And then these are the oxidized sphere clips. and they're in fantastic condition. And then in the middle is a Rockstar clip, which is also in great condition. So I remember when Pandora was selling the 5-clip station bracelet, and I don't know, at the time I just couldn't figure out how to get 5 free clips, and it just seemed so pricey to be buying this bracelet and trying to buy 5 extra clips to go with it. So kind of kicking myself later that I didn't do it, because now that I have multiples, but maybe it was meant to be, because then this little beauty came along years later, mind you, but it came along. So I am thrilled to have this, and the size is perfect. Let me just try it on quickly for you. Okay, here it is. Isn't it gorgeous? And it just fits perfect. Like the size, I couldn't have asked for a better size. It is so pretty. I just love the chain in between all the clips. And I love it the way that it is styled right now. So I think I will leave it as is, but you never know. I might play around with some of my other clips. It is so pretty. So happy to have this bracelet. So I thought in my videos I would share with you some of my Pandora thoughts as my collection grows, and my thoughts on pieces that I have in my collection and my reviews and everything. So now that I have this 5-clip bracelet, and I'm absolutely thrilled with it, there is another bracelet in my collection that I'm a little bit hesitant on. So I think it might be on the chopping block. We'll see. That bracelet is this Reflections one. So I purchased this pre-loved on Poshmark fairly recently. It was a fantastic deal. Couldn't pass it up. What I really like actually is the safety chain feature of it. But the bracelet itself, I don't know. I don't know if it's me. Like I'm kind of struggling with it, trying to decide if I want to keep this or not. So it's going to be going on the chopping block, I think. I'll wear it a few more times and decide. I'm not regretting purchasing it, because I'll definitely be able to sell it for exactly what I bought it for. So I hope you've all enjoyed this unboxing and my Pandora ramblings. I hope everybody is doing well. I know it's a challenging time right now. So please take care. Bye-bye.